check for 120 volts at the control board output to the blower motor when the fan or heating or cooling is called. When verifying control board outputs, start by turning the thermostat mode to call for fan or system operation and lockout power only if you must probe live terminals with an insulated meter. Set your multimeter to alternating current voltage and place the black lead on common or chassis ground and the red lead on the blower output terminal marked for the fan or the specific heat or cool terminal you are testing. If the blower is a 240 volt unit, measure between the two motor leads rather than between lead and ground, and be sure to note which systems use 120 volts versus 240 volts so you test correctly. Take readings with the system actually calling for operation, so the board is actively driving the relay or electronic output, and repeat the check for each mode because some boards route different voltages for heat and for cool. If you see voltage present but the motor does not run, verify the motor capacitor and motor wiring continuity next, and if no voltage is present, check the board output driver and any interlock safeties such as door switches or pressure sensors. For safety, always follow lockout, tagout procedures when servicing the system, and use gloves and eye protection when probing live circuits. Common mistakes include measuring at the wrong reference point, which gives a false zero reading, so always reference to common or measure across the two motor leads for 240 volt motors, and you will get the true voltage. Another issue is testing with the system not actually calling for operation, which looks like a failed output, so make the call at the thermostat and watch for the command while you measure. A third frequent problem is assuming the board is bad when a fuse or safety device has opened, so inspect control fuses and safety interlocks first and replace any blown fuses before swapping control boards. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners locate trusted local contractors and to help contractors find new work opportunities. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share practical advice and troubleshooting tips on tasks like voltage, verification, and motor diagnosis.